Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here, Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It is October 18th, 2024 at 6:40 p.m. in the good old US of A. Got a cool video for you guys. As you can see, there's a sea of green behind me, and that just made my day, and I'm sure it made yours too. I did some technical analysis today on some things, and I found something that was pretty freaking awesome, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I got a couple articles that caught my attention, did technical analysis on how those articles may have been affected crypto or just kind of telling where those cryptos stand. But yeah, this video I'm pretty excited to do. So I'm gonna jump right into it because the first thing I cover is what I'm not gonna say I discovered something that was hidden, but it is a good sign for the bullishness of the crypto market right now. Very good sign. But before I get started, I gotta remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there in the crypto world with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, now with that said, let's take a pause and hit that like button, please. Only take a second. All right, I'm just playing. Yeah, I just want you guys to take a second, hit that like button, and leave a comment, and maybe subscribe. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and you will motivate me to do more videos. And it also will motivate the algorithm in the YouTube, the algorithm within the YouTube search engine to put my videos out, just to put it out there. I was trying to think of a fancy word. Oh well, let's keep it rolling. All right, here we go, guys. First thing I did was the overall total market cap. Okay, I did some technical analysis on this. Now I don't want to be too long-winded on this, but it was pretty exciting stuff. All right, the market is definitely bullish right now. It's obvious. You see green. It's bullish, right? Yeah, but how long will it be bullish? How long will it be sustained? And what I'm seeing in the charts right now is really cool. Now, if you guys don't know, I love looking at the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku is or Ichimoku, I might be saying it wrong, but it is a very telling indicator. And what it does is it predicts the future actions on previous um, price fluctuations. All right, and right now I have it set out to the week. I never look that far into advance. Okay, guys, and so I set it to a week, and as you can see, it is predicting for the overall total crypto market cap. Now that encompasses all of the crypto projects out there, guys. It is what 2.20 it's 2.219 2,219,000,000,000. It just makes me sick. Like I can't believe I'm saying these kind of numbers, guys. But yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff. But that encompasses all the crypto projects. Now we haven't even got to the all-time high yet. We have not. We have. Yeah, we have not revisited yet since 2021 when it hit 3 trillion. But we're going to get there. Now that from where we are right now, that will be a 34.46 increase in the overall total crypto market cap. All right. Um, but the part that exciting about the Ichimoku, because I always include this in my videos, is you'll notice right here, this is predicting the future action of the market starting from October 14th until what date is that? April 7th, 2025. And it is predicting it to be bullish. Now, that is a very telling signal. I'm going to show you why. Now, look at this overall movement here in the market. This is the 2021 first peak, and then this is the second peak. Okay, now this is not Bitcoin, this is a total market cap. All right, and then you can see the pullback. Now we rode this wave right up beautifully, then the market drops, bam, and then we're riding it again, guys. You see what I'm going at with this? Now this looks pretty exciting to me. Now what this does, it doesn't change anything. We already know that we're entering the bull market, but it's verification that we are truly in the bull market. All right, it vindicates what we all suspect and we're hoping for. I got a lot of dreams that I screwed up last bull run because I didn't take my profits like I should have, and it was a lot of profits I should have took. But it's nothing like riding down a road, looking at houses, going, I could buy that for cash, like nice houses, or being like, oh, I can get a Lambo if I want, but I'm old. I don't need a Lambo no more. I probably can't even fit it in. I'm so fat. But anyway, you know what I mean. But yeah, I didn't take my profits like so many people. I'm just honest enough to admit it, learn from mistakes. Hopefully, I get it right this time because it looks like we're about to go full. I was about to say 360, but that would be right back to where I started. No, looks like we're about to do a 180. You know what I mean? So make a U-turn. We'll see what happens. All right, here we go. Next chart. This is the super guppy. Now, people were using this before the 2020 21 bull market, 2020 21. Anyway, before that, the super guppy is very telling. It's very cut and dry. Green is bullish, red is bearish. As you can see, according to the super guppy, we were definitely green right up until last March, which is correct, and we try to go green again around June, which is correct. But we kind of been bearish since then. But it looks like we might be about to change up. But the super guppy is not indicating green yet on a daily chart. Now, I'm sure if we look at the 4-hour chart, it's green. But for this, I like using it for long-term purposes. But hey, guys, this is another tool for you to use. It may help you out with some something you're looking at. All right, next thing up with the overall total market cap. Now what I did was, let's see what I was trying to chart out here. Okay, all right. So this is March 12th, 2021, and November 8th of 2021, and these are the two peaks. All right, so we had a double top. All right, so we had a double top back in 2021, and the overall market was at 3 trillion, like I thought, like I said before. Now the after that, after the 2021 top, we found a strong support level in the over total market cap at 719.161 billion. All right. Now since then, we're currently sitting at 2.278 trillion, and I've talked about this already. Now it has been on a downward trend. That's something I did want to mention earlier. As you can see, like I drew this little trend line here, and you can see we're definitely been on a downward trend, but I think we're about to swing around. And another something else that will verify that we're entering back into the bull market is when we see us break this trend line. We want to break that trend line and go above it. That will be a very telling sign, guys. But like I said, everything I'm seeing is telling that we're bullish. But I don't want to be bullish today. I want to do the big run. You know what I mean? We already had a few times. I definitely thought the market was kicking in here in last March, but got me all excited, got me all worked up, and it went boop, it stopped. But the market still stopped higher. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I think you know what I mean. So I'm gonna keep going. All right. Next thing up. All right, this article here. This article caught my attention. New Bitcoin whale wallets surge amid growing investor confidence. Investor confidence in Bitcoin is rising, as shown by a surge in new whale wallets and increased active addresses, signaling potential market growth. Bitcoin's recent price performance and ability to overcome past challenges have boosted investors' confidence, leading to a significant rise in the number of new large holders of the cryptocurrency. This surge reflects growing optimism about Bitcoin's long-term growth potential. In recent posts, Ki-Young Ju, CEO of CryptoQuant, highlighted the substantial increase in whale wallets, which are large investors accumulating Bitcoin at a fast pace. This uptick in whale activity is viewed as a positive signal of Bitcoin's future, indicating that institutional and high net worth investors are confident in the cryptocurrency's potential. These investors are taking advantage of Bitcoin's current consolidation phase, accumulating more holdings in anticipation of future gains. Now, guys, this is huge. Now, this article basically saying these whales, these are the Black Rocks. You know what I mean? These are the Elon Musk. I mean, use your imagination. Corporations realize that the U.S. dollar is not as dependable as it used to be. The euro isn't as dependent as it used to be. Um, the Chinese yuan, it's not as dependable as the U.S. dollar because at least the U.S. dollar is, I feel, is much more regulated than anything coming out of China. That's my personal take on anything. Then you got the Brexit coming about. So, so companies are leaning towards putting their, or not the rich, the powerful. they're looking towards a alternate, and Bitcoin is the solution. All right, so take a quick look at Bitcoin. We're going to use that Ichimoku with the weekly chart, and look at this. We are on fire, and it is predicting bullishness all the way out through April 7th. If we look at Bitcoin using my Fu Manchu chart here on TradingView, it's a free open source version of the market cipher. If you're interested, you can find it. Um, this is on a 4-hour chart. It has October 10th, we have potential market manipulation and a bearish continuation. We hit bottom right there. Then the little triangle here indicates a change from previous trend on October 11th. Then we had a bullish continuation, bullish, a long signal, bunch of bullish continuations, one bearish, and a ton of bullishness, guys. And we are still bullish, which is pretty exciting. So in the 4-hour chart, yeah, definitely be excited. If you look at the Fu Manchu B chart here, this is something to be excited about also. The Fu Manchu B chart, you'll see that we are riding up a channel right here. This is a long signal, and we're riding this channel strong. I'm almost tempted to take a long, but I hate trading on margin because I never stick to the plan. But definitely, if I was trading on margin, I would consider going long. I should. I'm going to regret it probably, but I'm gonna stick to my plan, and my plan does not include trading. All right, so the momentum up's up. This green right here is cash flow that is positive, and the volume is up. So Bitcoin is looking quite spicy, guys. All right, let's look at this Cardano article I caught saw earlier. Cardano, there's actually two Cardano articles before I jump into the project. Cardano is a shadow of its past glories, says top analyst. Cardano, once a dominant player in layer one blockchains, is slowly losing ground to rivals. Cardano has underperformed over the last few months despite a brief local uptrend, according to prominent crypto analysts who call the cryptocurrency just a shadow of its past glory. I disagree. Cardano and Polkadot have not been able to build momentum, while other traditional layer ones such as Solana, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Coin are spearheading the current bull run. Let's just for a break there. Right, I gotta say this. I can't keep reading. I truly feel that Cardano's price is being suppressed. I feel that they're being held down. There's market manipulation going on behind the scenes because Cardano's growth is not making sense to me actually. But that's just my take. Solana's had in particular has replaced ETH as the leader of bull runs through ETH and BNB are still in the lead this time around. ADA, on the other hand, has fallen far short of its prior standing as top 10 assets with enormous potential. Cardano's creator Charles Hoskinson has distanced himself from the project, which makes it stronger, is one of the factors affecting the poor performance. ADA's reputation has suffered further as a result of action which has left many investors angry. Ah, this is Cardano, guys, is decentralized. The governance of it is decentralized. They're comparing centralized projects to a decentralized project. I mean, have we all forgotten what were the core principles of cryptocurrency in the first place? It's kind of sickening and disheartening, in my opinion. All right, next article. Charles Hoskinson spotlights overdue Cardano upgrade. Okay. Cardano ecosystem is always innovating, a trend that has helped the protocol stay competitive in the changing layer 1 ecosystem. Recently, a debate has sprung up on CryptoX on the flexibility of Cardano smart contracts compared to their Ethereum counterparts. Cardano rigidity and proposed solution. The conversation, spearheaded by Cardano blockchain developer Andrew Westberg, centers on how the protocol struggles to complete the user's intent when these instructions are not completely specified. By its design, the Cardano protocol is rigid when taking instructions to process from users. The upgrade Charles Hoskinson spotlighted will seek to change this narrative overall. With bad intent processing, the user experience is generally suboptimal. The solution from Andrew Westberg will directly enhance intent processing with the nested transactions that can take place on or off chain. One of the key advantages of this proposal is its composability and Babel fees it offers. According to the developer, this proposition should be a priority for Cardano stakeholders. Already, input output CTO Romain Perlin and Hoskinson have voiced support for the proposal. However, it remains unknown how the next steps will be fast tracked. All right, so Cardano is my god, I love this project, guys, and nothing is rolled. I don't want. I guess nothing's rolled out without being thoroughly vented, tested, voted on, tested. You know what I mean? You never heard of Cardano going down. Now, how many times have you heard of, I don't know, Solana going down? It's ridiculous. But I'm just saying. All right, next one. All right, now you take a look at Cardano. Now this is the disappointing part. I should keep it real. Like I was so excited about the Ichimoku with the Bitcoin and the overall total market cap. Cardano, if I look at the weekly chart, it does not look exciting. According to Ichimoku, it's actually predicting bearishness if it keeps going down its path. And I'm not. I can't change what the chart's telling me. All right. So now, if we look at this on a 4-hour chart, it's not too exciting, honestly, guys. There is a confirmation down here on a Fu Manchu B chart, as you can see with this long signal here, that is looking like it has an upward momentum pushing. So that's actually looking good down here. I usually do the top first, but this is looking very good. This is confirmed. We got a strong channel here. Momentum is shooting up. Volume is up. Cash flow is up. It's looking good. So Cardano looks like it's about to, you know what I mean, get some. But I feel like it's lagging behind everybody else, and it draws me. Fuck, I didn't curse. Freaking crazy. Because if you look at Cardano, it's like why are we so far behind everybody else? You know what I mean? But I think there's a lot more going to that behind the scenes, and I do think that we're in a case of what is the hare and the tortoise? The tortoise. I do think that Cardano's the turtle, but the turtle wins the race. You got to remember that. All right. Last but not least, Dogecoin. Thought you guys be interested in this one. Dogecoin jumped 7% as Musk touts DOGE at Trump's Pennsylvania campaign. The proposed department, abbreviated as DOGE, will seek to make government spending of taxpayer money more efficient while streamlining departments that handle spending. Elon Musk discussed plans for Department of Governance efficiency DOGE. All right, it's funny. You guys get the idea. I'm not going to read this whole article. Here we go again. So Elon Musk is going to pump Doge, guys. I've been picking up Doge throughout the bear market, and I think it was a good play. I don't have a ton, but I have enough to that if he does what he did last time, I'm gonna take my profits because you know what Elon Musk did. I know you guys love him so much. He did one of the biggest rug pulls ever, and people were still on their knees. You get where I'm going with this, right? They were on their knees for this man, and I'm like, why? He did the biggest rug pull ever. Why? Is because you're rich and you're famous, you're powerful. Everything you do, you get a pass. It's okay. But with that said, I think it's going to pump Dogecoin again just by doing a few tweets, little gimmicks and stunts like this. So I have picked up Dogecoin, and I think it was a good decision. And looking at this right here, and with the whole meme coin craze, you know what I mean? It's destined. It's going to do something. And if you look at this with the weekly chart with Ichimoku, I'm really thirsty. The Ichimoku is looking bullish, but it's not bullish continuously. So we'll have to see how this plays out. I thought it was better because when I put it up, I saw it like that. I did not pull it over. So with the weekly chart, it's bullish, but then it looks like it's planning to pull back. So we have to see how that plays. And here it is. It is on fire, guys. You get no more. This is fire. This is hot. Now, right here is indicated potential pullback right here, but the momentum is very much so up there. Cash flow is beautiful. The volume is pulling back. The volume is the yellow. This here, the Vumenchu A chart is extremely strong. Change from previous trend, bullish, nothing but bullish continuations, and a long signal. So that is spicy. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I don't want it to be too long. It is. Please take a moment, leave a comment. Tell me what you want me to cover. Critique me. Help me become better at this. Help my channel grow. Please take a moment to subscribe. It really motivates me. You guys have no idea how much your subscription means to me and what it means to YouTube. And hit that like button. All right. But until next time, stay blessed. Stay crypto.